Hello guys, so this is SOG key knife which I purchased from guy from internet. So it came in blister like that, nice small package. So let's see. I bought this knife for less than €4, which is bargain. So let's see. Like that. Nice blister. Made in Taiwan. So let's see. Let's open. Like that. It's hard to open, but so this is it. This is it. I zoom down. So looks nice, solid, and signed Taiwan here, and I don't know what steel is it, but looks nice. And it's rare because this knife has back lock. I can lock it. See. Handle well. And pretty tight. Works well. Let's try, how is it sharp? So, paper, how they sharp in factory? Oh, it's nice. Nice factory sharpening. You see. That's perfect. So let's try some paracord. Not much power. Let's try 2 of them. Must use more power. Oh, that's nice. And 3 maybe. So €3. That's good for €3. So Nice knife. I would recommend to buy, but for not more than €4, which is bargain. Perfect.